Hello everyone, welcome to 58 Aintree. I'm Saida with Hill & Home at Remax Hallmark, and today I'm introducing you a beautifully renovated townhouse in heart of Bridlewood. Let's talk about the neighborhood first. Bridlewood is known for its mix of spacious homes and modern townhouses in a mature community. The neighborhood is filled with parks, soccer fields, outdoor rings, and local favorite shops. It's a community where you will have the space to enjoy life while staying close to everything that you need. This gorgeous townhouse features 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, and fully finished basement. Come on in and take a look. The main floor offers a bright, inviting space with modern finishes. Look at this beautiful kitchen with newly updated cabinets, quartz countertops, gas stove, and stainless steel appliances. Aintree with the stunning renovation and ideal location in Bridlewood, it's ready for the next owner. For more information, or if you would like to book your private viewing, give me a call or shoot me a text at 613-413-0093. Thank you.